14 Packing and moving tips and hacks in under 3 minutes. Check it out. Move-in tip number 1. When you're packing plates, do not pack them flat. Pack them vertical. They're a lot more likely to break when you're packing them flat. Number 2. Pack an essentials box for the day of your move. These are things that you absolutely cannot lose. Things like your medication, your toothbrush, your wallets, your purses. Number 3. Shrink wrap everything with doors and drawers. This prevents them from opening whenever you're moving them and saves you time and money because now your movers won't have to do it. Move-in tip number 4. When packing, don't pack your Ziploc baggies. They'll really come in handy for hardware when you start taking things apart like your bed frames. Move-in tip number 5. When you're packing liquids, put a sheet of saran wrap or shrink wrap underneath the lids and then screw them back on. This will help prevent spills while you're moving. Number 5. Put a trash bag over your hanging clothes. This not only keeps them together and keeps them on the hanger, but also helps prevent them from getting dirty throughout your move. Move-in tip number 7. When you're packing your sharp knives, put them inside your oven mitts. This is a great way to add extra padding around your sharp knives to prevent accidents. Number 8. Roll up all your rugs before your movers get there. Listen, they're already going to roll up your rugs, so if you already have it done, you're saving steps and you're saving time and money not having them do it. Number 9. Take a picture of the back of your electronics. Keep that picture, and when you're putting everything together at your new residence, it'll take a lot less time and be a lot easier to put everything back together when you have a picture showing you how everything went together. Move-in tip number 10. Use ice to help get rid of carpet dents from furniture that have been sitting in the same place for a long period of time. Number 11. Make sure everything is packed by moving day before your movers get there. It's going to cost you a lot more time and money if you're still packing while your move is going on. Move-in tip number 12. After you've packed a box, take a picture of the inside of it. This way, if later on you need to find something, you can glance through the photos of the pictures you took and potentially find it. Move-in tip number 13. When you're packing, use shrink wrap to wrap your silverware tray. This is just a lot more organized that keeps it all together. Move-in tip number 14. Use a color-coded labeling system. This helps eliminate unnecessary questions from your movers about where things go, keeps your move going, keeps it organized, and helps you save time and money.